Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a decrease. This is super useful for shaping your project, especially in Amigurumi. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. A decrease stitch is used to make your project smaller, but combining two stitches into one. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now you should have two loops on your hook. Next, insert your hook into the following stitch, yarn over, and pull up another loop. Now you should have three loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through all three loops on your hook. You've just made a decrease by turning two stitches into one. To keep decreasing, just repeat the steps. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull it up. Then move to the next stitch, yarn over, and pull it up a loop again. Yarn over and pull through all three loops on the hook. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.